Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today's video we are going to introduce the car sets for V-Class. These two car sets is available for W447, is available for V-Class, and we can find we have two options, that's the beige one and the black one. So what is the most popular part of this car set? Why people prefer to buy this one? Because it's genius Mercedes Benz and it's very simple design, and there's the design about the quality is very high-end in the market. The aftermarket product is not good quality enough, so our clients is prefer the genius one. So today's video I will going to show you the details about the car sets and show you how to plug and play on the back side to fit on the car. So move the camera in advance, we can check the details about this is for leather about the black ones, and we can find there comes the footrest in the front, and this is a phone holder. You can put your mobile phone on this plate, but please notice it's without wireless, it's not the charging. And on this part we can find is buttons for register and memory for caching about cassettes, and we can also find the coming about the register, which is memory 1 and memory 2 is same as parts you can find in genius Mercedes-Benz. And we can also find here's a storage box, so you can put some candies or your keychains inside of this box. So on the left hand, let's check here about there comes a cup holders on the left hand, so you need to press a button and it will be coming out. So it's very easy and simple design. And also the safety belt, and we will offer you a comfortable headrest pillow, so it will come in with the car seats one pair about the Alcantara material, so you can find on the back side is for leathers, which is softer and very nice qualities. How to connect the seats to the car? We can find the first of all, when you receive the car seats, it's coming with the connection wires, which from the front passenger side, so it will be plug and play with the connection around about that seats. And you can also find the bearings with a sticker, which is a genius Mercedes-Benz. So let's walk to the back side and check the details. So there comes a storage net on the back side, and the plastic part for the back side is very high quality, and we can also find there comes plug on the back side, which is plug and play with the connection about this one. So it's very easy to use these car sets to modification your V-Class. So we can check the details about the qualities, the patterns, the swings, and all the details. You can follow the videos and one by one check.